So students, so test of similarity, all of you know that. Just I explain you the SES, similar by the SES, ASS, AES. So these all tests you have to write in your notebook with the diagram. Now students, how to solve the example based on this concept? Very simple. Now look towards the question number first. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of area of their triangle. Just we learn what is the ratio of area of this triangle. The ratio of area of the triangle is equal to the product of their height and base of corresponding triangle. So let's consider the height and area of the first triangle B. Base is B1, H1 is height and A1 is a area of first triangle. Now the second triangle having the height, base and area is B1, B2, H2 and A2. Now according to the rule, according to the theorem, the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their base and the corresponding heights. This is compulsory to write in the answer. After writing this, you can write A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. So A1 upon A2 is equal to 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6, and therefore 45 upon 60, and A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 by 4. The ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to 3:4. 9 5 are 45, 10 6 are 60. 15 3 are 45, 15 4 are 60. Now the second question. In the given figure, BC and AB, BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB, means AB is a common base. If the base is the same, then their ratio of their area is equal to their corresponding heights. By using the same, we have to find out. Now triangle ABC, this is the triangle ABC. Now triangle ADB, this is triangle ADB, is equal to area of, this how to read it? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to BC, that is the height of the first triangle, and AD, height of the second triangle. Therefore it is BC upon AD. What is BC? BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. 4 upon 8 is equal to 1 by 2, because triangle having a equal base. Now the third question. This is also simple. Now one triangle having a two different heights. Listen, RQP or PQR triangle. If you are considering this triangle PQR, QT also height of the triangle and PS also height of the triangle. All of you know that height means what? Altitude of the triangle, and you can draw the altitude from any vertices of a triangle. You can draw altitude from any vertices of a triangle. From R also you can find out. Now here having the one triangle but having the two heights, then we have to find out what is given. RQ is 6, PS is 6, PR is equal to 12, and find the QT. According to diagram, without these are the value given in a question, but we can easily, QT is perpendicular to PR. When you are considering the height QT, the base is PR, and when you are considering the height PS, the base is RS. Base is RQ, not RS, because you are considering the triangle PQR, not PRS. Now, according to these, the triangle PQR having a two heights, and therefore their areas ratio is equal to area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, first you have to take QT into PR, because when the QT is height, PR is the base. Then when PS is height, RQ is a base. And according to this area is same, because the same triangle, therefore it is 1 by 1. PR into QT upon RQ into PS. So this is 1 by 1, and therefore this RQ into PS is shifting this side. So PR into QT is equal to RQ into PS. The product of height and base is same, so simply substitute the value. The QT is equal to, this 6 6 are 36, this divide by 12. So QT is equal to 3 unit. Understood, students? Now question number 4. In the adjoining figure, AP is perpendicular to the BC. AD is parallel to BC. Then find the area of triangle ABC as ratio with area of triangle BCD. Now listen. At what is given? AP is perpendicular to BC and DQ is also perpendicular to BC. It is given that AD is parallel to BC. All of you know that the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines is same and therefore AP is equal to DQ. It means that the height of two triangles is same. If their height is same, their ratio is equal to their corresponding bases. So triangle ABC and triangle DBC. If you are observing that BC is the same base, as well as height is same, and therefore their ratio is 1/1. That is 1:1. Understood? Base is same in both the triangle, this one and this one, and height is also equal because the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is same and therefore the ratio is 1:1. Similarly, this triangle. In the figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC. PQ is perpendicular to BC and AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is also perpendicular to BC. Then we have to find out area of triangle PQB and PBC. PQB, this small, and PBC. If you are observing these two triangles, the PQ is the common height. If height is equal, then the ratio is equal to BQ upon BC. That is their corresponding base. Height is equal, then their ratio is equal to their corresponding bases and therefore their area of the two triangle ratio is equal to BQ upon BC. Similarly, you have to find out PBC. Now see, PBC and ABC. ABC. BC same base and therefore their ratio of area of these two triangle is equal to PQ upon AD. That is their corresponding heights. Now the triangle ABC and ADC. ADC having the equal height, therefore it is BC upon DC, their corresponding bases. Now the ratio of area of a two triangle ADC and PQC both having bases and height are different. So what is the ABC? ADC, AD into DC. And what is another triangle? Another triangle is PQC. Therefore PQ into QC. So their ratio is equal to DC into AD upon QC into PQ. So today we learn only when the two areas of two triangle is equal to product of their corresponding bases and heights. When the height is same, their ratio is equal to corresponding bases. When the bases are same, then their areas of two triangle is equal to their corresponding heights. So these three concepts you have to remember and all these 5 questions you have to write in your notebook. Thank you, students.